Swamiji, Namaste. Who am I beyond my thoughts and emotions?
You are your soul. You are the God. You are same what Buddha was, what Raman Maharshi was, what Miraji was. When you try to know yourself, that who is asking this question? This is not your body, this is not your mind, this is not you. When you try to know this, that who am I, first thing is this you have to ask yourself, that who is asking these questions? And this is the Raman Maharshi ji, he was the great master. He was not giving you any exercise, any meditation. He was just telling you that you must have this burning desire that who am I? And then you will look yourself. You will be alone. You will look inside, not outside. But for this, more and more, you need to be in silence, because when you open your eyes and when you are talking, you are wasting your 80% energy and unnecessary. When you open your eyes, you look the others. And when you close your eyes, you look yourself. You look within you. And then only you can know that who you are. When person die, what is the things what go out? That even the family don't keep the body even for a few days. So since you take the birth, this is your hand, this is your leg, this is your eyes. But who you are? How many times you try to know this? What is the God? What is the life? What is the death? These questions, when come from your inside, then only you can know yourself. That I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am something else. But who is something else? Who is someone else? For this, you need to be more and more conscious. You have to go to peak of consciousness. And when you go to peak of consciousness, then only you know that what is the real joy in life. And when you know the joy, then you know the life. Because life without joy is meaningless. So when you understand what is the life, then only you can know about the death, and then only you can know that who you are.